Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka SAPE mendagasngi ka South Tarik Jeldio Arsha Pesan kala Pynlong ye ka education fair ban pensngot ho ki Samla Pule Kumno bakin Jied ye ki Jing Pule Jongki bat ban tip ye ki Jaka Pule baki kwa ban net Pule kabala Pynlong havivanta Shillong ka Banlong hadu ka South Tarik Jeldio Arsha Pesan Hakani gasngi ki don hadu South Pesan tali ki school ba ki college bat ki Jaka Jinghikai ki balawan na baro ka wi ka ri India ringkat bat ki Shipai ka ri India bat ki Shipai Sun Bat ki don hadu hanyo pesan ngut tam ki khana ki bawan shimenta. Hagani ki education fair ki airu ka jimpentep ya ka dor jong ki Jaka Pule ringkat bat ki nong yalam ki babyang. U director ka SAPE Events and Media Private Limited Usanje Thapa ulapan pau ka jingkemen halor ka jing shimenta shitham jong ki Samla Pule hagani ka program nakalyang ka SAPE ka lakarpat ki Samla Pule ki kimiki pa banwan shakani ka program ban sngap bat kali ki jinan kam khnang makin la ban Jied ki Jing Pule jongki. Ka SAPE kadai ka shlam banyalam ki Samla Pule bakin Jied ki Jaka Pule baki kwa bandet Pule sha ki Jaka Pule ki bakham pau ha ka perthai baro ka wei ka yarap ru ki Samla Pule bakin Jied ki nukinu ki line ban Pule bar bakin ni kendo markhmat baki nong penyat jong ki Jaka Pule ni ki line bakin Pule bar bakin rai yaknu bakin Jied na ka benta ka lawei jongki ki line bakin Jied ban Pule ki kenthop ya ki BA BSc BBA diploma MBA in International Hospitality, Hotel, Tourism, Aviation, Culinary Management, but kibe.
My name is Sanjay. I am from this Sape Education Fair. So I just want to tell all the viewers why this education fair is important. Especially our northeast, even in Meghalaya, the students they don't get proper information. And when we don't get proper information, the most of the time what happens, students they get into the wrong decisions. And when the students make a career decision, they go to the college, it's very important. They will make only once in a lifetime to take one career decision. So this education fair helps students and the parents to make a right decision. When the students and the parents come to these exhibitions, they are able to interact the colleges, university directly, all across the India, right from Bangalore to Delhi, then the Calcutta, then the Gwalior, you name it, Chennai. So sitting at one place at this Vivanta, you'll be able to understand the college informations and what are the careers are available. So I'll request all the students and the parents from the Shillong, so make this opportunity as possible and come to this fair. This fair is going to happening here today and tomorrow, and timing is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I request all of you, those who are looking at this channel, all the students and parents, please make sure that you come here. This is an information center. I am sure if you visit this exhibition, you'll be able to benefit. Thank you. So today, we have a good response. Already we have around 70 students is already here. So we are expecting by 5 o'clock we may be getting around 200 to 300 students. So I'll request all the students, and once again, make sure that this is a good opportunity for you to come to the Vivanta for today and tomorrow, and entry for this exhibition absolutely free. So in this exhibitions, total 40 universities are participating, right from Chennai to I said that Gwalior, then Bangalore, the Pune, then then you have Kolkata, then you have Guwahati. So all the colleges, universities, they are coming here, and the people, those who come here from the university, they are directly from the university. So you are receiving a first-hand information that is very important for students and parents, to take their career decisions. So once again, I'll request all the students, parents, make sure that you should come here and collect the good information so that you can take a good decision regarding your future or your children's future.
2015, so the response from Shillong people are very good. They are showing interest in different courses. They are showing interest in hospitality sector, aviation sector, hotel management. So these sectors are very, very popular in Shillong. So students from Shillong already passed out from our college, which is Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, and they are already placed in different sectors in the hospitality industry. So we are happy to come again and again in Shillong, as the Shillong people are really looking forward to study in Kolkata. Thank you so much.
This is GIS
Group, and I'm from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata, under GIS Group. Thank you.